In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to refer a friend to Exness, or how to refer someone to Exness and make money. So all you just need to do to generate your own referral code, just log into your Exness account. The next thing you're going to do is just click on profile down below. It's going to take you straight down to this page right here on your profile. The next thing you're going to do, just walk down to referral program. You can see earn a stable income by introducing client to Exness. So just click on that, then it will ask you to share the link. So just click on share the link. Then here you're gonna see how and where you can actually share your own link. So depend on where you actually, let's say you want to share on WhatsApp, so just click on WhatsApp and you can select the person you actually want to share the message to. So let's say I want to send the link directly through a message, so I'm going to click on message right there. Then let's say I want to select the person I want to send to, let's say Exness. Then okay, I cannot send the message through this page, so let me go back, click on share a link. Then I'm going to use message again, then select different contact. I don't see message. Okay, so message, then let me select new message, then let me say this number, for example. Then you can see this is my Exness referral code right there. So you see a referral code like this, so just send it to the person you want to refer. Then once the person sign up, you'll be able to earn commission for doing just that. So it's as simple as that.